Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on a 2018 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. You can see this particular boat is powered with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Super quiet, super fuel efficient, great warranty on the Mercuries. You'll love everything about them. Moving forward on here, you see you've got a nice full swim platform all the way across the back of the boat. Going to give you plenty of places to sit down back there in the back, dangle your feet in the water. So you come forward just a little bit, you've got a ski pylon right there for pulling tubes, skiers, anything like that. So that's very convenient that that's already on there. Nice thing about being an outboard powered runabout like this is that you're going to get a ton of storage because you don't have an engine here. So look at the trunk space on this. Nice big trunk. Plenty of places. You're going to have beach bags. Everybody wants to bring their chairs. You want to bring a cooler. Everybody's always got an extra stuff to bring along, so you've got all this extra storage back here in the back. This boat's rated for 11 people, so when you think about 11 people and all the stuff that they can bring along, you got to have that kind of storage. Lift up the back seat. You've got another insulated cooler underneath the seat right there. Nice wide bench seat across the back. High back support here. Look at the ergonomics with this too. My arm rests nicely right here. My drink holder is right here where it's supposed to be. And one on the other side too. You can fit 3 wide across the back here. Comfortably fit 3 wide right there. As you move forward, you got a captain's chair. Beautiful captain's chair, nice and comfortable. If you like to stand up and drive, you can flip this up and you can stand up and drive. Your steering wheel is adjustable. This seat slides back and forth too, so it is on a sliding track and it also rotates. So however you like that to be. Or if you want to sit down when you're driving, this what's called a thigh rise bolster makes it real comfortable to sit on top of that as well. Adjust your steering wheel with the tilt steering wheel. Same kind of seat over on the port side for the passenger as well. Has the flip up thigh rise. This is a 100% composite boat. It's all fiberglass. There's no wood in the construction of this boat, so you don't have to worry about any of the wood rotting away on you. Another thing about that's with the warranty on here is that you have a 5-year stem to stern. So your engine, your gauges, your steering, your control, your switches, your stereo, everything, 5-year stem to stern warranty. Nobody else in the industry has got a warranty that good on their runabouts. This particular boat's got the Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade, so that you're going to have the control head right there, but also with that on this particular boat you've got a subwoofer and you do have an amp too. So a 19-foot outboard, speakers all around, great sound system in this 19-foot boat. If you look forward on here too, I'm a fairly tall person, 6'3", and I've got plenty of room to stretch my legs out, no problem at all. The nice thing about the SPX is they don't come to a sharp point at the bow. They keep their width going forward a little bit, so that makes the bow seating much larger than a lot of our competition that comes to a sharp point at the front. This is the Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. It's at MarineMax Jacksonville. I'm Grant. Come see it today.